Hello, welcome to PharmCube's channel. This is Shero reporting. PharmCube is a China-based data and media company focusing on unearthing the trends in the Chinese pharmaceutical industry. In this video, I'll be covering major progress in drug R&D, approvals, and pharma deals taking place in the previous month in China. Before we start, don't forget to follow us so that you won't miss our monthly update. Starting from drug approvals, in October, 6 products received the green light in China, including Hua Medicine's first-in-class diabetes drug, dorzagliatin, Roche's Herceptin Hylecta, etc. Let's have a look at Roche's new injection. On October 9th, China NMPA announced approval for Roche's Herceptin Hylecta, trastuzumab for subcutaneous injection, to be used in combination with chemotherapy for the treatment of early-stage and metastatic HER2-positive breast cancer. Herceptin is one of Roche's top-selling drugs, and this new formulation was cleared by US regulators back in 2019, more than 5 years after it first became available in Europe. Different from intravenous injection, the subcutaneous version only takes 2 to 5 minutes to finish administration. Herceptin Hylecta's clearance in China last month obviously offers Chinese patients a more convenient and efficient treatment option. For marketing applications, China NMPA accepted 4 new drug applications last month. In today's video, I'll talk about Zevor-cel, China's second domestic BCMA CAR-T therapy. On October 18th, CARsgen Therapeutics, a biopharmaceutical company focused on innovative CAR-T cell therapies for the treatment of hematological malignancies and solid tumors, obtained BLA acceptance in China for its Zevor-cel autoleucel, Zevor-cel, as a novel multiple myeloma treatment, which is the second domestic BCMA CAR-T therapy to file biologics license application in China, following Innovent Biologics and IASO-Bio's equicaptagene autoleucel, which was accepted for marketing review by China NMPA back in June this year. Right now, CARsgen is also conducting a phase 1b and 2 clinical trial in North America to evaluate the safety and efficacy of Zevor-cel for relapsed and/or refractory multiple myeloma. The company also plans to conduct additional clinical trials to develop Zevor-cel as an earlier line of treatment for the disease. Moving to investigational new drug applications, in October, a total of 48 INDs were accepted by China NMPA, notably BPI 460372 tablets by Betta Pharmaceuticals, TST-003 by Transcenta, etc. On October 20th, Betta Pharmaceuticals, a leading innovative pharmaceutical company headquartered in Hangzhou, announced that its IND application filed for BPI 460372 tablets was accepted by the China NMPA. The drug candidate, independently developed by Betta, is a novel small molecule TEAD inhibitor designed as a therapy for advanced solid tumors. So far, there has been no approved small molecule TEAD inhibitor in the world, and over 10 investigational TEAD targeting candidates are being developed. While the top 2, namely IK903 by Akina Oncology and VT3989 by Vivace Therapeutics, have entered phase 1 investigation, the IND clearance for Betta's new therapy makes sure the company stays in the loop. On October 22, Transcenta, a clinical-stage biopharmaceutical company with fully integrated capabilities in discovery, R&D, and manufacturing of antibody-based therapeutics, announced it received IND clearance from China NMPA for its first-in-class Gremlin-1 targeting antibody, TST-003, for the treatment of solid tumors, right after its FDA clinical testing clearance in September 2022. In May this year, Nature Cancer published the study results on the potential application of TST-003 in the treatment of androgen receptor negative or low prostate cancer, which proved the therapy's favorable prospect of resolving highly unmet clinical needs such as castration-resistant prostate cancer. Over the globe, only 2 companies are investigating gremlin-1 binding therapies right now. In addition to TST-003, the other is UCB's UCB6114, which is currently under phase 1 and 2 investigation for solid tumor. Finally, a pharma transaction to wrap up the program. On October 10th, Harbour BioMed, a global biotech focusing on the discovery, development, and commercialization of novel antibody therapeutics in oncology and immunology, entered into an agreement with a wholly owned subsidiary of the CSPC group and transferred the exclusive rights to develop, manufacture, and commercialize Batoclimab in Greater China to the latter. In return, the CSPC company will pay Harbour over 1 billion RMB, including an upfront payment of 150 million RMB and further payments in potential milestones. Batoclimab is a novel, fully human anti-FcRn monoclonal antibody, blocking FcRn IgG interactions and accelerating the degradation of autoantibodies. According to Harbour BioMed, as the first anti-FcRn therapy entering clinical development in China, this product has the potential to address a variety of pathogenic IgG-mediated autoimmune diseases. Alright, that's everything for last month. For any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us. I'll see you next month.